Overseas now, the death toll rises overnight after a 6.3 earthquake struck Afghanistan. The massive quake was followed by 3 strong aftershocks. It's one of the deadliest earthquakes to strike the country in 2 decades.
I've lost 9 members of my family. My father was killed and all my children.
There was chaos and panic. Everyone was just trying to save themselves.
Those left behind are doing what they can to search through the rubble in the faint hope they'll find some survivors. People make their way through a remote village in western Afghanistan looking for survivors. Many of these mud brick homes and walls collapsed instantly.